Here's Haiku. She's trying to trudge through. Sierra! Sierra! You can't even hardly see her. Here she comes. Here she comes. All you see is her little black nose. Come on, Sierra. You can do it. Come on. That's a girl. Jump. She's walking in the path that Jeanette walked out to see if Belvedere, their main, or second to most, can see the snow that piles up on these poor dogs. It gets so that it's almost impossible to get the clumps of the snowballs off of them, and they're not happy when they're snowy like that, because we don't let them on the couch because they are so wet. But Haiku's wiggling her way down the path that Jeanette's taking. Pretty funny.